In the battle between Samsung's Galaxy S25 Ultra and Apple's iPhone 16 Pro Max, both phones bring a host of premium features to the table, but clear differences in design, display, performance, and camera capabilities make it easier to pick a winner. The Galaxy S25 Ultra stands out due to its innovative display features, including anti-reflective coating, Gorilla Glass Armor 2, and ProScaler technology, which improve durability, clarity, and video quality. Additionally, Samsung and S superior AI integration, supported by its partnership with Google, offers deeper functionality with cross-app actions and enhanced features like night video mode and AI-driven camera enhancements. On the performance front, the S25 Ultra's Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chip outperforms Apple's A18 Bionic chip across all categories, including CPU, GPU, and NPU. In terms of battery life, both phones offer similar performance, with a slight edge for the S25 Ultra in video playback. The S25 Ultra also provides more camera versatility, with an upgraded 50-megapixel ultra-wide sensor, enhanced 10-bit HDR processing, and a 3x zoom camera. On the other hand, the iPhone 16 Pro Max focuses more on hardware upgrades but lacks the same level of camera versatility and advanced features that Samsung offers. For users who prioritize versatility, performance, and AI, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is the better option. Meanwhile, the iPhone 16 Pro Max still offers excellent performance for Apple enthusiasts, though it lags behind in certain areas. While the iPhone 16 Pro Max is priced $100 lower than the S25 Ultra, Samsung's $350 in free credits and accessories make the price difference negligible. Overall, the Galaxy S25 Ultra edges ahead as the best device for those looking for cutting-edge features and performance. The S25 Ultra and iPhone 16 Pro Max have similar sizes and weights, with a slight 9G difference. The S25 Ultra's design is now more in line with other modern phones, moving away from the boxy Note look. S25 Ultra features an anti-reflective coating, Gorilla Glass Armor 2, 25% tougher than the iPhone S, and the new ProScaler technology that upscales low-resolution videos. iPhone 16 Pro Max lacks these display enhancements and uses regular Gorilla Glass, which scratches at level 6 on the Mohs scale, compared to level 7 on the S25 Ultra. S25 Ultra outperforms the iPhone in AI features, benefiting from deep integration with Google's Gemini. This allows advanced features like cross-app actions, voice commands for complex tasks, and more advanced AI tools for photography and video. iPhone 16 Pro Max, while it includes AI features, many are still not fully functional even months after launch, putting it behind Samsung in this area. S25 Ultra, equipped with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset, offering superior performance across CPU, GPU, and NPU. iPhone 16 Pro Max, powered by the A18 Bionic chip, which was previously seen as superior, but now lags behind in terms of raw performance in comparison to the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. S25 Ultra features a 50MP ultra-wide camera, 10-bit HDR processing, 3x zoom, and other advanced features like night video mode and spatial temporal processing for better image quality. iPhone 16 Pro Max, while it received some hardware upgrades, it lacks the same versatility and advanced software-based camera features as the S25 Ultra. S25 Ultra includes the S Pen, which can be stored within the phone, adding functionality for note-taking and drawing. iPhone 16 Pro Max features a capture button, which has been criticized for being inconvenient and unnecessary. S25 Ultra, priced higher but comes with $350 worth of Samsung credits for storage upgrades and free accessories, making it a more valuable offering overall. iPhone 16 Pro Max, $100 cheaper but lacks the additional credits and accessories, giving the S25 Ultra a price-value advantage. While both phones are excellent choices, the Galaxy S25 Ultra emerges as the winner, especially for those who want the latest in display, performance, AI, and camera technology. The iPhone 16 Pro Max remains a solid option for Apple users, but its lack of certain features and higher price point make the S25 Ultra the better option for those willing to switch ecosystems.